In the wild, childhood is a dangerous game. Young animals may be adorable, but to predators, they're nothing more than easy targets. Small, slow, and often defenseless. Some are lucky enough to have fierce mothers protecting them, while others face nature's deadliest hunters alone. From heart-wrenching last moments to unbelievable escapes, these encounters reveal the unforgiving nature of survival. Who will defy the odds? Who will fall victim to the relentless hunger of the hunt? Join us as we unveil 11 of the most dramatic predator-prey moments ever caught on camera. Number 10. Sea turtle versus saltwater crocodile, a swim with no return. For baby sea turtles, the ocean is both a home and a battlefield. The moment they hatch, they embark on a perilous journey where danger lurks at every turn, from hungry seagulls above to deadly predators below. But today, the threat comes from a silent assassin, a saltwater crocodile. The tiny turtle paddles, blissfully unaware of its fate. Then snap. In an instant, the crocodile's powerful jaws clamp down, and the peaceful swim turns into a one-way trip to the abyss. For sea turtles, reaching adulthood is a rare victory. And today, victory slips away in the blink of an eye. Number 9. Lone buffalo versus lion pride, A1 Animal Army. Walking into enemy territory is never a good idea, especially when that territory belongs to a pride of hungry lions. But this buffalo, it's either incredibly brave or incredibly unlucky. The moment it steps too far, the lions spring into action. Muscles tense, eyes locked, ready to strike. But instead of panic, the buffalo does something remarkable. It fights back. Dodging, charging, using every ounce of its strength to evade the ambush. And then, in a stunning display of power and strategy, it breaks free. The lions are left stunned. Not today. Predators. Not today. Number 7. Puma versus Wolverine, the underdog with no fear. In most fights, the bigger predator wins, but no one told that to the Wolverine. The puma sizes up its opponent, smaller, slower, seemingly defenseless. It should be an easy meal, but the Wolverine, it doesn't flinch. Instead, it charges. What should have been a simple hunt turns into an all-out brawl. The Wolverine twists, bites, and fights with a ferocity that makes even the mighty puma hesitate. And then, the unthinkable, the puma gives up. It turns away, defeated. Today, size doesn't win. Sheer determination does. Number 6. Squirrel versus fox, a game of life and death. For a squirrel, every day is a high-speed game of run, dodge, and survive. And today, the fox is playing to win. The moment the squirrel turns its back, the fox strikes. A desperate chase unfolds, zigzags, leaps, impossible twists. The squirrel is fighting for its life. But one wrong turn, one moment too slow, and it's over. The fox pounces, jaws snap shut, and just like that, the forest falls silent. A reminder that in nature, one mistake is all it takes. Number 5, Crocodile versus Zebra, a river of no mercy. Crossing a river is more than just a journey, it's a life or death gamble. As the zebras swim, hooves splashing, something stirs beneath the surface. Then, an eruption of power. A crocodile explodes from below, jaws locking onto an unsuspecting zebra. The zebra kicks, thrashes, fights with everything it has. But the croc? It doesn't let go. The water turns red, and another victim is claimed by the river of no return. Number 4, Bald Eagle versus Seagull, a sky heist in broad daylight. In the sky, there's no warning. There's only the hunt. A bald eagle locks onto its target. In a blink, it dives faster than the eye can track. Claws outstretched, the impact is brutal. Before the seagull can react, it's too late. The eagle lifts off, carrying its struggling prey. A ruthless display of power. In the sky, there's no second place. Only the hunter and the hunted. Number 3, Cheetah versus Antelope, the ultimate speed chase. In the world of speed, the cheetah reigns supreme. But speed alone doesn't guarantee survival. It takes precision, strategy, and perfect timing. A coalition of 5 cheetahs locks onto their target, a large antelope. In the blink of an eye, they launch their attack, closing the distance in mere seconds. The antelope zigzags, pushing its body to the limit, but there's no outrunning the fastest predator on Earth. A perfectly executed takedown follows, swift, calculated, and deadly. But the real challenge begins now, keeping the kill. Out here, scavengers lurk nearby, and even the fastest hunter can become the next target. Number 2, Warthog versus Crocodile, a lucky escape or pure genius. In the wild, even something as simple as a sip of water can turn into a fight for survival. A thirsty warthog steps toward the riverbank, unaware that death is just beneath the surface. A crocodile lies in wait, motionless, a living trap ready to spring. Then, an explosion of movement. The croc lunges, jaws snapping shut inches from the warthog's face. But this warthog? It's got lightning reflexes. With a sudden jolt, it dodges left, kicking up dust as it bolts for safety. The crocodile is left thrashing in frustration. Today, brains beat brawn. Number 1. Wolf versus sheep, a hunt with no happy ending. There are no second chances in the wild, and for the sheep, the mistake has already been made. A wolf spots the perfect target, slow, isolated, defenseless. It moves in, step by step, silent as a whisper. The sheep senses something, but it's too late. The chase is short. Wolves don't waste energy. A burst of speed, a calculated lunge, and a swift takedown. It's over before it even began. The circle of life is cruel, but it is unchanging. For the wolf, this is survival. For the sheep, it is simply the end. Not all stories in the wild end in tragedy. Some are stories of hope. When a powerful storm separated two newborn white tiger cubs from their mother, their fate seemed sealed. Alone, they stood no chance, but against all odds, they found an unlikely protector, Anjana. For 5 months, she nurtured them, fed them, and taught them how to survive. They bonded like family, proving that compassion exists even in the most unlikely of places. Eventually, the cubs grew strong enough to leave her side. Their journey continues, but one thing is certain: some bonds are never broken.